Come with me to AutoZone to fix my spoiler. So this spoiler is from Z1 Motorsports, and as you can see, I did not put the tape on right. So we're gonna go into this AutoZone, and we're gonna fix our issue here, so it doesn't fly off while we're going down the highway or something. Oh no. Here's the tape. I think we're gonna go with this one. It might be too skinny. I hope not, because it's a $13 I'm wasting right here. After doing some thinking, I'm probably gonna go with this. It looks to be too thick, but they did not have anything that's long enough. I know I'm gonna need at least 10 feet, 7 to 10 probably. That's only 5. So I'm gonna go with this and pray it works. All right, we made it home. First thing we need to do is try to remove this 3mm tape. I looked online, it said fishing string would work. So I guess we'll just get into it. I don't see how this would work, but okay, do not flame me in the comments for how dirty my car is. I did not clean it before doing any of these videos. We're getting somewhere now. I actually removed it. That's crazy. Now getting off the car is gonna be the worst part. Nervous for my paint, guys. Let me get gloves and I'll be right back. We got gloves. Now we are getting back to work. I felt like I was breaking my pinky off. No. Okay, I got more fishing line. Now we have to re-put this in and everything. Sucks. So much easier without the gloves. Let's just see. Like down here is all good. Up there, not really. Alright, third time's the charm. Even more fishing line. You do not know how mad all this fishing line that kept breaking made me. I was over it. Okay. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. Ooh. Paint still looks fine. I guess the best way to remove it is use this mixture. By the way, this mixture is 91% isopropyl alcohol mixed with water. It's 50-50. No, no, no. Okay, after doing research, I figured out taking a hair dryer to this will make it easier to come up because I am like prying my fingers at it and it's not doing anything. Not gonna lie, this was the worst this has ever made for a video. I had calluses and blisters on my fingers for 3 days from peeling this tape off of my hands. I don't know if it's about 3 minutes. My thumbs are gone, bro. It's so weird. Like that, don't you? Okay, I got all the tape on here. Let's just vision it back to how it was supposed to be. So that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, I'll get back with you once I get it on. Okay, I got the back on there, great. Last time, see, I didn't use these. Once I got the back on there, great. I couldn't get this part right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this time I'm getting it. Okay, we finally got it on right. It's not standing up anywhere. It's not messed up down there. It's not uneven. This is my only issue, but you can't really tell. This goes over just a little bit. I'm not redoing it. It literally took me, I know it's probably about 5 minutes for y'all on time lapse, but for me, this has took me, I don't know, about 3 hours to scrape all that stuff off. I'm not doing it again. Well, I hope y'all guys enjoy this. I can't believe I actually got it on right. For putting up all this stuff, I'm gonna tell you that was a job. It didn't seem like it in the video because I don't know, the video's probably gonna be 5-10 minutes, but there was probably about 90% I did not record, so